As we mentioned at the start, camera movement is a huge part of modern cinematography, and without a doubt, the most significant tool for making a camera move is the dolly. Dolly is a loose term for a device that moves a camera on wheels, sometimes on track, sometimes not. While the form a dolly takes can vary dramatically, some general terminology is used to describe the movements of a dolly. Moving closer to or further away from the subject of a shot is typically referred to as dollying. Moving perpendicular to the direction the camera is facing is variously called tracking or crabbing. A vertical movement of the camera on a dolly is called a pedestal move or petting, and a movement that combines vertical and horizontal movement is often referred to as a compound move. A general term for dolly movement is trucking, and camera movements may be given in terms of truck in, truck out, truck left, and truck right. Push in and pull out typically refer to changes to the focal length of a zoom lens, though some inexperienced directors may use the term to refer to physical trucking of the camera. Obviously, when in doubt, get clarification. A very common form of dolly is the doorway dolly, named for its ability to fit through doorway widths. Doorway dollies provide various positioning configurations for the camera and a seated operator. Sideboards can be attached for one or more assistant operators to ride alongside the main camera operator. One or more additional operators will push or pull the dolly while the shot is rolling. To create a smooth dollying surface, modular platform called dance floor is sometimes laid, named after temporary dance flooring used in catered parties. The benefit of a dolly running on dance floor is that an experienced operator is virtually unlimited in the kinds of moves and directions available. To create a more defined camera move, the dolly can be moved along dolly track. Dolly track can be purchased in curved and straight sections and laid out to create a very precise movement. Wedges are placed underneath the cross truss to create a perfectly flat track. Now, the lighter weight of modern digital cameras has given rise to a variety of alternate support systems for camera movement. One of these is the Dana Dolly, an affordable hand-operated dolly system designed to run on industry-standard speed rail. The Dana Dolly will support up to 100 pounds of camera equipment and is typically set up on junior stands, either lowboy combos or slider stands. A casual glance at the Dana Dolly might leave the impression that it's no more than a widened skateboard. In fact, a lot of engineering has gone into its design. Rather than using standard skateboard wheels, softer, precision machined wheels have been used to avoid unwanted bounce and absorb vibration. While the Dana Dolly is most commonly used with straight speed rail, curved track is also available. Another alternative to traditional dolly work is the slider. A slider typically mounts to a tripod or pair of stands and provides a small track for the camera to travel. This creates a smooth, dolly-like motion without the expense and setup required of a traditional dolly. Sliders have another useful function. If actors miss their mark, the slider allows a camera operator to adjust their position quickly without having to move and re-level their sticks. Now, obviously, a slider won't replace a full-blown dolly move, but it will add a significant amount of production value to your shots.